Hey guys, JTSpeeds here. I'm back with another one. Let's go. Today on the show where I watch police chases, we got a Mercedes-Benz running from Arkansas State Police at 117 miles per hour. I think I see something silver up there, over yonder. The cop is getting behind it. He's going 90 at this point. So the Benz is fleeing. That looks like a C-Class, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, he's flying. So the cops gotta pull him over, you know, and do whatever. Hit the like button. Shout out to Police Pursuits for the video. So the audio turns on because this is 30 seconds from when the cop activates his lights, etc. He's going 111 miles per hour at this point. Getting up to 113. Does the Benz driver get on the gas at this point? Yeah, he does. And he goes 117. The cop speeds up on the Benz. Okay, it has one exhaust on the side. It's a C250 if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, really, nigga?
He's on the brake. The Hemi is pursuing him. So the Hemi's just hawking him down. And he's gonna get on that quarter panel. Oof. Quick. Easy pickings. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. He said, I'll shoot you. Get out. Ooh. I thought he had the chase kept going. Bro. You're a widow with cook, ball.
Really, nigga?
You're a widow with cook, ball. You're cooked, bro. I'm reading a report. He was allegedly under the influence. Blew a result of .10. He was charged with felony, fleeing, driving while intoxicated, reckless driving, no driver's license or expired driver's license, speeding more than 15 over the speed limit, vehicle lights, no lights at night, fail to present proof of insurance, no proof. Damn, I just cooked. Wow. His music is still playing in that motherfucker. Or the police pulled up playing music like, shit, we got another dummy running. I guess that's gonna be the economy now, guys. Like, the police chases go up, you feel me? The stocks go up. I'm just joking. The police chases have went up though. In Arkansas, specifically, the chases have went up, bro. They do not like that. I don't like it either. One too many deaths, you know, with these chases. They come with these chases. People getting injured. It's over, like, bro. Little under 100 people getting hurt, bro, from chases, bro. In Arkansas this year alone. Why you running, dog? Why you running? said, nah. Bro, you don't got the C63, bro. Stop trying to pull off.
You know, I ain't really. Is your ID in the car?
He pitted the shit out that motherfucking C200, bro. The C250, bro. Pitted the fuck out that shit, man.
Hey, my car good, bro?
They don't care about your car, bro. Your C250, bro. You should have parked that bitch. You should have pulled that bitch over again. Yeah. Guys, don't run from the police. How many times do I gotta say it, bro? Now we gotta do the thing where I give them a donut. If you did know about the prop in the show where I give the police a donut, look at that. That needs a bumper, fender, door, damn. It's a nice Benz, where we probably work hard to get that car. Don't run from the police. Then these won't be your problems. Anyways, the ASP, they TVI pit policy, whatever you want to call it, bro. Once they get the quarter panel, it's over. You feel me? Then I gotta give them the donut. Scrub it up for ASP, man. Donut party, man. Shout out to the police for doing their job, bro. Damn. Anyways, I'm gonna have to go ahead and wrap this one up. It's JTSpeeds, and I'm out. Peace. On me. You know that you own me. You know that you own me. I know that you own me. I know that